अरे भाई okay, can everybody hear me and see the screen clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So kindly please concentrate, students. It's very easy. I will try to keep things as simple as possible. Okay, and we will see. Okay, and you have learned this concept. Okay, the concept is similar to decision tree, but in a different variety of way. That's all. Okay, a different method of solving. Okay, what is a regression tree? Okay, regression itself means continuous values, right? Regression itself means continuous values. So regression tree is built through a process known as binary recursive partitioning. Okay, binary recursive partitioning. Do you mean by recursive? Okay, doing the same thing process again and again. It's an iterative process that splits the data into partition of branches, and it does the splitting into smaller groups such that it will go till the leaf node, and it will make sure in the leaf node, okay, that all the classes of the same particular class is there. Okay, all the leaves are of the same class in the end. Finally, the whole binary tree at the leaf node will have the classes of a particular class. So till then it will keep splitting. So basically, students, we go for regression tree for continuous values. Okay, now let's begin, students. Now let's begin. Now consider, students. Okay, there is a particular one. This is all. This is just to make you understand. This has nothing to do with the problem. This also have nothing to do with the problem. This is for my reference. I have put. Okay. Okay. This is for my reference. Okay. This class for my reference I have put. Okay. So what is given is some feature called as an LOT, some feature called as an income, where the values are continuous. Can you see where the values are continuous, and a class called as an owner and non-owner? There are two classes, which is owner or non-owner. Okay, students, owner or non-owner. This is my data set given to me. So to build up a regression tree, the first step, students, the first step is to take the median of these values, to take the median of these values. Okay, so when I take the median of these values, I get the value 19. I get the value 19. Okay, now students, to take the median, okay, so at the end of the day, what am I going to do? I'm going to, my first step is to identify the root node. Okay, and the first step is to identify the root node. So in the regression trees, I will be using the concept called as a Gini index. Okay, I will be using the concept called as a Gini index. Like how in the decision tree I use entropy, right? Okay, to find the root node. Here I will be using the concept of the Gini index to calculate the root node, and the concept is very simple. Okay, so now which is the root node to split my tree? That's the first step, right? So the step number one is to find the root node. How do I find the root node? Step number one is to find the median of these values. Sorry, median of these values. The second step is to find the median of these values of these two attributes. Okay, after finding the median, okay, so this is my data points. This is my data point, students, where I have plotted, which is owner and co-owner. I will just zoom it. Is this zoom clear to you? Enough to you? Is this zoom enough, students? You people
Yes,
are
sir.
able to see? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, so I have just plotted the values between the lot and the income, and can you see I have plotted the data points. Okay, this is just to make you understand. Okay, this is just to make you understand. Okay, fine. Now I have to keep on splitting my regression tree. The first step, students, I will be calculating my Gini index for the whole class. The formula is I have 12 non-owners. There are totally 24 attributes. There are totally 24 values. Can you see 1 to 24? Not the attribute, sorry. There are 24 rows. Okay, out of which 12 are owners. 12 are owners and 12 are non-owners. And 12 are non-owners. Okay, done. So the Gini index is, the formula is very simple. Okay, so I just substitute in this formula. So 1 minus of 12 by 24 the whole squared plus 12 by 24 the whole squared. So which will give me a Gini index 0, which will be the whole Gini index of the entire class is 0. Okay, fine, done. What's the second step? To calculate the root node. So now what I will take, I will go to median, then I will go to the attribute income. So find the average of the lot and find the average of the what is the other attribute income, then which has the minimum Gini index, that will be my root node. So how do I do it? So what is the median of the particular attribute lot? What is the median of the particular attribute lot? 19. Okay, so now students, I will be splitting up please into two ways. One is the lower triangle, please make a note of it, and then another one is the upper triangle. Okay, one is the lower triangle and another one is the upper triangle. The formula for lower triangle is less than or equal to median. Okay, the formula for upper triangle is greater than median. Okay, upper triangle, which I will be calling it as LR. This is the formula. And upper triangle, sorry, upper rectangle. So no, not triangle, rectangle. So lower rectangle formula is less than or equal to median, and upper rectangle greater than median, not equal to. Okay, greater than median. So based on this particular formula only, I will keep on splitting my tree at every level. Okay, very simple. Okay, now what is the median of the lot we have calculated? 19. Okay, students, what is the median I have calculated? 19. Okay, can you see? I have calculated the median for this attribute is 19, median for this attribute 64.8. Okay, fine. Having said that, okay, fine. Now students, please see, I'm just taking these values. I'm just taking these values. This is just to make you understand, students, I'm doing all these things. So this is my whole data set, students. Okay, so totally 24 records are there. So now I am sorting, this is the column for a lot. Okay, so I am sorting this column for a lot, smallest to the largest. Now what is the value I told? Anything which is less than or equal to the median. Okay, putting it as lower triangle. This is my lower triangle and this is my upper triangle. This is my upper triangle. Okay, students, can you see? This is less than or equal to 19. This is greater than 19. This is less than or equal to 19. Okay, I have just sorted my entire data set. Okay, and then I am splitting my tree as lower grade less than or equal to 19 and greater than 19. Okay, students, so this particular data set, what I have done is I have sorted with respect to, I've just sorted with respect to this one. So less than or equal to 19, lower triangle, this particular values I get, can you see? This particular values I get, okay? And greater than 19, I get these values. So this is what I have put up with respect to lot I am doing, with respect to the attribute lot. Okay, so now when I take this particular value, now and I apply my Gini index. So 1 minus of how many owners are there? 1, 2, 3 out of 12. The whole squared minus, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 12, the whole square. So when I do the math, I get 3.75. This is my Gini index for lower triangle. The same way, I will be doing the Gini index for upper triangle. I will be doing the Gini index for the upper triangle for this box. I'll be doing the Gini index for this box. Now, this is everything put together. This is with respect to the attribute lot. Caps LOT, lot, with respect to lot. Okay, students, with respect to lot. Okay, whether less than 90 and greater than 90. So now this is greater than 90. So now the Gini index I'm calculating with the for this one, for this value. So now what am I going to do? So 1 divided by owners and non-owners. How many owners are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 owners are there. How many non-owners are there? 3. So when I do this one, okay, fine, done. Okay, so now I have calculated the Gini index for this triangle. I have calculated the Gini index for the upper triangle. Now I am taking the average of these two. Average of these two. Now I'm taking the average of these two. Now when I take the average of lower triangle and the upper triangle, that is 12 by 24 into the Gini index value of the lower triangle, and the 12 by 24 with the Gini index of the upper triangle, I get the average. That is 0.375 is the average. 0.375. With respect to the attribute, lot. This is with respect to the attribute lot. Now I will be doing the same thing with respect to the attribute income. So now first step is sort. Sort based on what? Based on median. What is the median for we have calculated? What is the median we have calculated for the attribute income? 64.8. Okay, 64.8. So first let me sort this with respect to median now. With respect to median. 60. Now I have sorted this. Now with respect to median, and what is the value? 64.8. So 64.8 means less than or equal to 64.8. Okay, so this is my values with respect to the attribute income students. Students, then greater than 64.8 will be this set of values. Students, greater than 64.8 will be this set of values. Okay, so now what am I going to do? Now I will calculate the Gini index for this lower triangle. Now I will calculate the Gini index for this upper triangle. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. See. So can you see, students, with respect to income, I have calculated, this is the values, what I have put over here. This is the same table over here. I'm displaying it over here. So Gini index is how many owners? 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many non-owners? 9. So 13 records are there. So this is the Gini index for lower triangle. For upper triangle, calculate the owner and non-owner. Calculate the owner and non-owner. So this is the table what I have put, students. This is the table what I have displayed here. Greater than 64.8. That is less than or equal to 64.8, and this is greater than 64.8. Okay, students. Okay, now I have calculated the Gini index for this. What is the value? 0.3967, and Gini index for this. Okay, then I take the average of these two. I take the average of these two. What is the average? Is 14 by 24 and 11 by 24. The average is 0.431. 0.431. I get the average. Now, the minimum Gini index overall average, that will be the root node. That will be the root node. So, which will be the root node, students, in these two? Which will be the root node, students, in these two? Which will be the root node, students, in these two?
LOT.
Oh, LOT. Excellent. LOT. I am coming here now. OT students. So this is my root node, students. This is my root node. Okay. So can you see the minimum? So root node 3.75 average or 4.0. So the minimum average of the choice. So lot is chosen. Have you people understood till here? Is everything getting in your heads very clear till now? Please raise your hands quickly in 10 seconds.
Sir, I had one doubt, sir. Sir, can you please
Mhm.
show the first Gini index that you had calculated in the beginning?
That is for the whole class.
Yes, sir. So I had a doubt in the calculation, sir. I'm thinking it's not equal to 0 because when you do 12 by 24 square and 12 by 24 square, you'll get 1 by 4 each. So, and if you do 1 minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4, you won't get 0. So I
Okay,
just
you
had a
just
doubt
calculate.
under
Okay,
that.
you just calculate it. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, so 12 by 24. Okay, you just see 12 by 24 means 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2. So 0.5. 0.5 the whole squared, right?
Yes, sir.
So 0.5 the whole squared. So minus of 0.5 the whole square minus 0.5 the whole squared plus minus of 0.5 the whole squared. Oh, 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So somewhere around minus 1 is coming. Huh? What's the value are coming?
No, sir. It'll come 0.5 only, sir.
Okay. You see, you just check it out. Okay. You just check it out. But this is a formula.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that is fine. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, students. So now, students. So now we have chosen the lot. In the lot, we know that. Okay, lot is classified into two things: less than. Okay, lot is classified into less than or equal to 19, greater than or equal to 19. So less than or equal to 19, we have 12 records. Greater than or equal to 19, we have 12 records. Okay. Now first let's calculate the left subtree. First, let's calculate the left subtree. Okay. Now let's get inside it. So this is the lot, right? So this is the what we have been calculating. So less than or equal to 19 and greater than or equal to 19. This is the thing. So now this is the left subtree, this is the right subtree. So we will take these values first. We will take these values first. Okay, students. Now please understand. My left subtree. This is my less than or equal to 19. Looks like this. See here, please understand, at the end of the day, I should arrive to the particular leaf nodes where all the classes belong to the particular leaf node should be same. Till then, I will keeping on splitting. So students, my first splitting will happen on these particular data points over here. Can you see 19? Since 19, okay, my lot is chosen as the root node. So 19 is the place where my first split will happen. Okay, 19 is the place where my first split is happening. Okay, where is it? 19 is the place where my first splitting is happening. And then I come to this one. Okay, side. So less than or equal to 19. Okay, now since we have already this, now what are we going to do? Okay, we have to do it with respect to income. We have to do it with respect to income. So 84 and 85.55. Okay, one second. 84 and 84.55. Okay. Now what I will do is I'm going to sort this. I'm going to sort this. Can you see? So this is my first step. I will just rewrite it. This is my actual tree. Then I will be sorting it with respect to what? With respect to income. With respect to income. Okay, students. Now, students, our aim is to make sure that every single thing belongs to same class, at least either in the left subtree or in the right subtree of the, because we are solving left subtree. On the left subtree, our aim is to get a particular class where at least one particular category is there. So this is the point. If we are going to split it up, okay, this is the point where we are going to split it up. We can get a particular class of all belonging to the subtrees. Okay, so 84 and 85.5, take a median of these 2 points. Take a median of these 2 points. Median, median, median of 84 and 85.5. Take a median of this. Okay, take a median of this. So when I take a median of this, what is the value I get? 84.75. Okay, I get the value 84.75. So now my left subtree, my lower triangle will be less than or equal to 84.75, and my upper triangle will be, upper rectangle will be greater than or equal to greater than 84.75. Right? So this is my next splitting. So when I do this 84.75, so this is the place. So this everything will belong to my one particular tree, and these two will belong to my right subtree. These two will belong to my right subtree. You are getting, students, how am I splitting? Okay, so once seeing the data after sorting, I am coming to know that there is a point where I can split by taking a median of it. Okay, so this is the point after which all the classes belongs to the same class. So I am taking 84 and 85.5. Then I calculate the median of this. Then I split. So 84.75 will be my next split. Can you see, students? 84.75 will be my next split. Can you see? 84.75 is my next split, where can you see this region where I have two owners? So can you see these 2 points where I have two owners and I have so many records? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10, one is owner. And you see, out of 10, one is owner. So I have splitted my tree. And my tree will look like this. So with respect to income, I have done. Okay, can you see? With respect to income, I have done 84.75. My left is have 10 records and my right has 2 records, and everything, this has become my leaf node. Can you see? This has become my leaf node. Now again, for this tree, what will I do? Now with respect to LOT, I will do. So for this tree, I will sort it with respect to LOT. Now I will sort it with respect to LOT. Okay, now once I sort it with respect to LOT, can you see, students, this is my point. These are my 2 points where I am getting this one class, and then I can further go ahead and split with another 2 classes. Okay, so these are the points where the splitting is happening. Okay, students, these are the 2 points where my splitting can be happened, so that I am trying to split my way. So 17.6 and 18.4. Can you see 17.6 and 18.4? If I take a median of this, I get 18. So median of 17.6 and 18.4. If I take the median of these two, I get 18. I get 18. So where is 18? So all these things will belong to one particular class. I sorted this. Yes. And these three So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Somewhere something have gone wrong. 7. Okay, 7 and 10 correct. Okay, correct. Okay, students. So with respect to 18, I am splitting. Now with respect to 18, I have splitted my tree. Now can you see, students? Now all things belong to this is this is my less than or equal to 18, my lower triangle. This is greater than 18, my upper triangle. So I have this further tree. I am splitting it into with respect to lot, out of which 7 are non-owners. Can you see 7 are non-owners? Okay, students, 7 are non-owners. And this one, okay, 3 is particular greater than 18. So this I have got. Okay, no, I have got. Now this 3 again, I have some both the classification. So now what I am going to do again with respect to income, I will split. Again with respect to income, I will split. So this is my tree of splitting. With respect to income, I will split. So when I split with respect to income, so this is the point. This is the point where the point of mismatch is happening. So I have to take median of 0.8 and 18.4. Okay. So what is the median of 18.8 and 18.4? If I take 18.6, I get 18.6. So 18.6 means this will be splitted into one class, and these two will be splitted into another attribute. Okay, so can you see, students? So these two into one thing and these two will be another thing. My tree will look like this and my splitting will look like this. 2 and 1. So one non-owner with respect to lot and 2. Okay, now what is the thing? I will do a splitting with respect to, so 18.4 and 18.4. So when I do with respect to income, where is it? With respect to income. Now I have to sort. So 60 and 66 is, what is the value I'm getting? 60 and 66. Take the median of 60 and 66. 63. Okay, 63. So can you see 60 and 66? I get the median 63. Median of 60 and 66 is 63. So anything less than or equal to 63 will belong to one split, and greater than or equal to 63 will belong to another split. So can you see my tree? Another tree. Another. So this is my final left subtree, students. This is my final left subtree. So now if I am telling to predict an income 55 or lot equal to 55, if 85 means you can predict, okay, anything. So if I'm telling lot equal to 18 means it will come. So predict income, what is the value? Income 55. So income 55 means it will come here again, 55 with respect to income. So 63. So 63 means less than 63, less than or equal to 63 means owner. Something like this it will be there. Okay, so he belongs to the class owner. So predict which class he will belongs to. Given lot is 18.5 and income is 55 means he will belong to the class. So the same thing I have calculated for right subtree, right subtree, you calculate it. This is for you. Okay, and but you should get the final tree something like this. This is for the right subtree. I have explained you the left subtree. You can calculate it for right subtree. Any doubts, students? Any doubts? I hope I have explained you in the best of ways. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
How many
No
of you
doubt.
understood? How many of you understood?